Hey guys, this is my Snap-on toolbox that I picked up here in Las Vegas for $800. The retail on it I think is about 5,000. It's the KRA 2411. It's a great box. All the drawers are smooth. It's got a big top drawer. Fits plenty of tools. I'm going to be doing my next video should be just going over all the tools that I have in it, I guess, more in depth. As you can see there, the top drawer just has plenty of space for, sockets, ratchets, extensions. Yeah, it's a great toolbox, plenty of space, you can fit tons of tools, easily organize them. I really like the deep drawers. Some of the drawers are very deep. So yeah, check out my next video. It's gonna be more just going over the tools. Yeah, and that's about it.